Well, I'm here to obviously lend my support to the Back the Track campaign for Sedgefield Harriers. I know how important having a good facility is. When I first started my running career at Jarrow and Hebburn, we had a pretty rotten ash track, which was kind of okay, but it was something which thankfully, partly through my success, we were able to get some funding together, and it provided then a real catalyst for not only helping me train to do all the things I went on to do, but also we got more and more kids coming along, and to this day that track now is used I think on about 100 days of the year, not only by the local athletics club, which we thought this would be, but by schools, by companies who want to have their sports days, and it's a really well used facility. So I know firsthand how important it is. It sometimes seems as though, why do we need a track? But I promise you, as they say, if you build it, they will come.